Hey guys, what's going on? Lucky here. So I am working on this fine example of a 1966 Chevelle. I believe it's a Tribute Super Sport, but this is a meticulously done one. This guy's doing a great job building it. He has been building it for some time. He's from Colorado, drug it out here, and gave me a Christmas list of things he wanted done to it, and also brought like a truckload of parts. I got the old transmission out. New transmission is going in. There's a cast bell housing. This is a 5-speed transmission. Silver Sport, along with Silver Sport clutch setup, ARP hardware, pressure plate disc. I just put the flywheel on, took off the flex plate. And in the middle of all that, parts came in I've been waiting for Project X, some new rear brake calipers and rotors. The ones that were on here were a little bit too big to run with bead locks. We love the bead locks, so we've got a entirely different setup. But we're shy one rotor, so that rotor is on the way, but the Wellwood 4-piston for the rear, electronic e-brake, and now we'll be able to run the double bead lock slicks. This thing will be able to have some fun. That will be nice. I've been driving this thing around quite a bit, but very conservatively because it wasn't quite right, but it's getting a lot closer to right now. This is my one workbench I organized so that I could do stuff one project at a time, and I have 2 projects scattered across this thing right now. Once I basically get done under the car, I'll put the car down on the ground. I'm going to cut a hole through the floor and put a replacement hump on that thing, so it will be like a factory manual transmission. This customer meticulously went through, well, he's been trying to put this thing together for years, and waited quite a long time to get in over here. Not bragging, I'm just saying he did not cut the line. He waited his turn and got him in, and it's been here for some time already, and now it is, man, all yellow right now. A lot of yellow going on. But either way, it's like I just discovered that my wagon is a blend between Project X and a true butternut yellow car. So as you can see right there, it is in between for sure. Oh yeah, something going on over there. I picked this thing up the other day. This was sort of I wouldn't say abandoned, but neglected, even though it's a fine example of a legit Typhoon. It's just been sitting around somewhere, and I dug deep into the pockets and picked it up. Couldn't find any doors, so I grabbed some Blazer doors. They're all the same, and threw those on. And right after I put the Blazer doors on, wouldn't you know, I find a set of legit Typhoon doors. They're just the wrong color. So I'm gonna send those out to the paint shop and get them painted up black. Put those on. Mason is over here helping me today. I'm sorry, Santa. Santa's here. What? We're gonna torque up this flex plate, or flywheel, sorry. And start throwing stuff back together to see how the transmission fits. I'm just gonna mock it in for right now. But and then pop it back out. That was one of my concerns, is whether or not we're gonna have to cut up this guy's hard work on this exhaust system. But we will find out. Anyway, what's going on here? Oh, it's flange, I got you. All right. Either way, so that's what we're doing right now. I'll be right back. The Tremec 5-speed is installed. Definitely pretty cool. I took the shifter off and then covered it in plastic right there so no debris gets into it, just to get it up into the spot where it needs to be. And now I'm going to mark and then pull it back out and cut, because where is it? Where is that thing? There it is, right there. So here's the STX shifter. It's pretty cool. It goes right on and offsets the shifter to the left, so it's right where it's supposed to be. And then they give you this stamped floor pan or trans hump that fits in there perfectly. So taking the seat out. I'm going to save all of that for last, but I'll get the hole cut, get this fit, and then put it back up there. Do all the work. Turned out pretty nice. This was a nice piece. They did a nice job on that. But progress on the 66 for Dan. Dan the man. There is progress on the Typhoon. These two are done just dirty. Oh, shout out to Mickey Thompson. I'm going to be contacting you tomorrow. I need to get some tires. People ask me this all the time. So it is an 18 by 10, 295, 35, 18. And those are street comps, and I run the same thing all the way around. So it's 295, 35, 18 squared. And then this puppy already has all new Mickey Thompsons on it. 315, 45, I believe, in the back. It's been a minute. 315, 35, 17. And then brand new front ones too. They are difficult to see because the light is on this side. And still difficult to see. I want to say 235. No. Yeah, 235 or 245 in the front. I could be wrong. Has I've been scrubbing on stuff. Some marks right there. I'm gonna have to check that. See if I am coming in contact. I'm not gonna slow down. Just wanna know what I'm rubbing on. Just got back from getting a couple of tacos. From Buddha Boys. Me, Mark, and Jason piled in this thing. It's together and carousing. And have a little list of a couple things I want to do to it. It now has the beadlock rims in the back, and with all the new Willwood brakes and electronic e-brake. So that's all handled. This thing is a nice driver. However, it needs to still have some more time put under its belt. So yeah, still messing with that. Also, I need to do some work on the pedal box. So that's what's going on with that. And that's still murdered out. You know how we do. All right, you guys. A project update. See ya.
Okay, you guys, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Like the video if you like it. Leave a comment for sure. And share. I appreciate all your support. See you next time.